In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background to white in Revit. This quick adjustment can make your workspace feel brighter, improve visibility for drawings and annotations, and help your screenshots or recordings look clean and consistent. It doesn't change your project data or your sheets, it simply updates the application's drawing area, so what you see while modeling appears on a white canvas. Start by opening Revit on your computer. Once the program is up and running, look to the very top left corner of the screen for the File menu. Depending on your Revit version, it might appear as the word File or as the Application menu button in that corner. Click it to open the Application menu. Inside that menu, move your attention to the bottom of the list and select Options. This opens the Revit Options window, which is where you control many of the program's global preferences for how Revit looks and behaves. On the left side of the Options window, you'll see a list of categories. Click Graphics. This section contains settings related to how Revit displays your model and interface on screen, including hardware acceleration, anti-aliasing, and importantly for this video, the background color of the drawing area. Find the setting labeled Background. It's typically a drop-down menu that lets you choose how the modeling canvas appears. By default, many installations use a dark or black background, which some users prefer in low-light environments. For a brighter, paper-like workspace, change this setting to white. Selecting white switches the canvas to a clean, neutral background that can make line work, dimensions, and detail elements easier to read, especially if you're preparing tutorials, documentation, or on-screen presentations. Once you've chosen white, click OK to apply the change and close the Options window. The update takes effect immediately. You should now see your drawing area with a white background across your open projects and views. This is a global application preference, so you don't need to repeat it for each file. A few notes to keep in mind. This change affects the modeling canvas and general interface appearance. It does not alter the printed output of your sheets or views. If you later decide you prefer a darker environment, you can return to the same location and switch the background back. Also, certain specialized view backgrounds, such as environment settings in rendered visualizations, follow their own controls and won't be overridden by this option. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Revit background to white, creating a clearer, more comfortable workspace for your day-to-day modeling and documentation.